Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, today I am sharing some yoga therapies by which you will get better sex life. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. The first posture name is cat cow pose. For that, take the position on your mat. First, sit on Vajrasana pose. Palms on your knees. Now slowly come forward. Put your palms on the floor. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now cat cow pose. For cat cow pose, with inhale, raise your head up, stretch your spine. With exhale, unroll your spine. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Minimum 10 times, maximum 20 times in a day. You can practice it. This yoga therapy will give a strength to your pelvic area. Now release the posture with child pose. Relax your body. Now the second therapy is bridge pose. For that, lie down on your mat. Bend your knees. Hold your ankles by your hands. Now with inhale, raise your lower body up. Breath normally here. This yoga therapy will give a strength to your pelvic area. By this yoga therapy, you will get better sex life. After 10 or 20 breaths, release the posture. Now the next one posture name is happy baby posture. For that, again bend your knees, raise your both legs up. Now hold your toes by your hands. Now like a baby. In a day, 1 or 2 minutes, practice this yoga therapy for better sex life. After 2 minutes, release the posture. Relax your breath. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get better sex life. Namaste. Take care. Be connected.